Do you want to learn Spanish? Do you want to know the best strategies to quickly improve your Spanish and speak with more than 463 million people in the world? If so, this video is for you. Today we give you the best books and tips to learn Spanish. Let's dive in. Book number 1. Easy Spanish Step by Step, by Barbara Bregstein. This first book is your perfect guide to start improving your Spanish, giving you a roadmap and great strategies to quickly improve. Tips: write down the reasons you want to learn Spanish, and commit to a daily Spanish practice for instance of at least 10 minutes. Book number 2. Madrigal's Magic Key to Spanish, by Margarita Madrigal and Andy Warhol. You will soon read, write, and speak Spanish with this unique and proven method, giving you a solid foundation to build your Spanish skill. Tips: learn and quickly master the essential, and get practice to gain confidence in the language. Book number 3. Short Stories in Spanish for Beginners, by Ollie Richards. This book gives you great and easy stories to progress step by step in the understanding of Spanish, with exercises to test your comprehension. Tips: read more in Spanish, use active learning techniques, and challenge yourself. Book number 4. Language Hacking Spanish, by Benny Lewis. This book gives you a practical and powerful method to learn Spanish, helping you speak right away from a language learner expert. Tips: don't wait, start speaking now with Spanish speakers, focus on the essential skills, and know that you learn by making mistakes. Book number 5. Spanish Phrasebook and Dictionary, by Lonely Planet. This last book gives you great phrases, expressions and words you can start using right away with Spanish speakers. For example, to say, "Hello, my name is Caspi. How are you?" You say,
Hola, mi nombre es Gatsby. ¿Cómo estás?
Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these 5 books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other great books to learn Spanish? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss the upcoming videos. Wishing you all the best in your Spanish learning journey. Adios.